Hey everyone, welcome back to CashFlow Secrets, the place where your financial dreams start turning into reality. If you're looking to boost your income in 2025, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to share 5 of the best side hustles you can start right now that have the potential to earn you $5,000 or even more every single month. These are not just random ideas, these are real strategies people are using to build wealth in today's economy. So grab a notebook, because you won't want to miss this. Freelance Writing, 032 o'clock. Let's start with freelance writing. If you have a good grasp of English and know how to put your thoughts into words, you can literally start making money today. Websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer are full of opportunities. Companies, blogs, and startups are always looking for writers who can create articles, marketing content, and even ebooks. And the best part? You don't need a journalism degree to get started. Build a portfolio, take a few small gigs, and within a few months, you could be charging $100 per article. Imagine doing just one article a day. That's $3,000 a month. Easy. Print on demand, pod. Next, we have print on demand, one of the most passive income-friendly businesses out there. Platforms like Etsy, Redbubble, and Teespring allow you to design t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and sell them without ever touching inventory. You simply create designs, upload them, and when someone buys, the company prints and ships the product for you. Some sellers make $2,000 a month just by designing memes on t-shirts. If you're creative or even semi-creative, Pod could become a full-fledged business for you by the end of 2025. Virtual assistant, 4 o'clock 6 o'clock. Third on the list is becoming a virtual assistant. Businesses are outsourcing everything now, from scheduling emails, customer service, to managing their social media. If you are organized and can handle simple tasks remotely, you can charge $20 to $50 an hour depending on your skills. Startups in the US are hiring virtual assistants from all over the world. All you need is a reliable internet connection and good communication skills. I personally know people making $4,000, $5,000 monthly just managing 2 or 3 clients. Studio microphone, hustle 4. Affiliate marketing, 6 o'clock 8 o'clock. Fourth is affiliate marketing, promoting products and earning commission for every sale. Amazon, Shopify, and even digital products like online courses pay affiliates well. You can start a blog, a YouTube channel, or even Instagram pages and review products. Once you rank a few articles or videos, commissions start coming in passively. Imagine making $200, $300 a day while you sleep. That's the real beauty of affiliate marketing. It's not instant money, but with patience, it becomes a solid income stream. Studio microphone, hustle 5, YouTube automation, 8 o'clock 9:30. And finally, YouTube automation. This is where you create faceless YouTube channels, outsourcing the voiceovers, scriptwriting, and video editing. You only manage the content ideas and publishing. Channels around finance, motivation, health, and tech are booming with this method. A single viral video can earn thousands of dollars in ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate sales. This model takes some investment upfront, but the returns can be life-changing if you are serious. Studio microphone, outro, 9:30 10 o'clock. So there you have it. 5 of the most powerful side hustles you can start in 2025. Remember, the key is not just to start, but to stay consistent. If you liked this video, hit that subscribe button and smash the like, because here at CashFlow Secrets, we're all about building real financial freedom. See you in the next video, and until then, keep hustling smart.